First of all, we create a concrete basement to build our house. By using 1 to 3 ratio, we create that basement. And after, we start to create our bricks by using red cement. To our scale, we create our bricks by applying 1 to 6 ratio. We use red cement to create our bricks. And after we create our foundation by using lined structure, we use threads to structure it. Then we start to carefully create our walls by using our bricks and our concrete compound that we use as ratio like 1 to 6 ratio. Then we put 4 concrete pillars. So we used to stick those stone pipes into four corners of the foundation as concrete pillars to get more extra strength on our walls and weight holding to support for holding first floor's weight. Then we start to carefully create our walls by using our bricks and our concrete compound that we use as ratio like 1 to 6 ratio.